We finally got a break in the weather, so finally gonna try to paint the bed liner. Again, I had done this before, but it was before I painted the actual truck, and then there was no way to mask it off, so I'm gonna have to mask it again and just do it again. But gonna go through that process, and then while the layers of paint dry, I'm just going to reinstall the headlights, tail lights, and the mirrors, basically all the little auxiliary things, antenna, little things like that.
Brian Little.
Okay, so the additional coat of bed liner is on. Went on pretty well. Same issues with the crappy nozzles from Rust-Oleum. You know, they make a great paint product, but their nozzles are horrible. So you got some drips that fell from the can. Not runs, but actual drips, just from excess paint accumulating on near the nozzle and then dripping down. So call the bed liner officially done. All I gotta do now is reinstall the headlights, the antenna, the wipers, and I think that's it. So on to those steps next.
Brian Little.
Okay, so the bed's all done. I've actually been driving it for about a week. Didn't drive it all week, but got new windshield wipers because obviously the ones that came with it were pretty shot. I actually made a mistake in the assembly. I kind of fixed it. I had installed these on the inside. I don't know what I was thinking, but and then the rear ones I actually had reversed the left and the right. Everything still worked for some reason, but it was just when I drove and I hit a bump, the bed was all shaky and I couldn't figure out why. First I thought it was maybe the suspension geometry with the adjustable camber plate, but then I realized I just put the hinges or the not the hinges but the latches on incorrectly. So so I painted the rollover bar in that graphite color, same color as the wheels. I think I'm also at some point gonna do the that skid plate in the graphite as well. No rush for that, but she's all put together, and she's running like a top. So I think the next thing to do is take care of some maintenance items. So I bought some filters, air, oil, and fuel filter. So I'm going to be doing those. And I also bought some differential oil so that I could change the fluid in the differentials and transmission. So those will probably be the next videos. And I also got a little bit of bling, you know, nothing crazy. I got like a shift knob, and I'm going to be adding some additional auxiliary lights. I might put a set on the roll bar, shining down on the bed so you could see what's on the bed at night. That's the only thing that's missing on this pickup from the factory. It has a factory light, but it's missing, so I'll get that replaced, and that's about it. She's ready to go. Oh, one thing, I had to remove the wheel spacers at the front because the front wheels rubbed like crazy. So by removing those, the wheels tuck better inside the wheel well, and even with the additional wheel travel, it doesn't rub anymore. I kept the wheel spacers in the back just because I like the way it looks, but unfortunately, even though it looked really cool in the front, I had to remove them. So thank you very much.